Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ZUGU iPad Pro. In this case it's a 12.9 inches case for the iPad from 21 and 22 because the dimensions are nearly the same. That means iPad Pro 6th and 5th generation are matches to this ZUGU iPad Pro case. It's ultra slim, protective cover, wireless Apple Pencil charger included, convenient 10-angle magnetic stand, and auto sleep mode. And of course the wake up mode is included too. Here you can see this is of course the Desert Rose model. You can also get it in purple, in pine, olive, red, brown, blue, Arctic, and good old black. It's not cheap, but worth every penny. And that's right. They have already invested in an expensive new iPad Pro. Why settle for anything less than the best? And of course, most protective case. The result of years of hard work and innovation. The Alpha case is the unrivaled leader in the iPad case game. The slim design in the deceptive, thin, attractive, highly protective, but don't take the words for us. We see the 7,005-star reviews on Emmy. Yes, I thought that too. And as of 23 over 1 million units of ZUGU case for iPad have been sold on Amazon United States. That's a big point that I bought this case. And they are really right. It's one of the best cases I ever wrapped around my iPad Pro because it's easy to handle and it comes in so many nice settings of the angles where I like to look to my iPad. And we have the Apple Pencil. That's good because this brand got us covered. Designed with the Apple Pencil in mind. The recess holder on the spine is the perfect spot to store our Apple Pencil as it charges. The ZUGU 12.9-inch case also features an additional slot to store our pencil when we don't need a charge. Of course, the Apple Pencil is not included in the iPad 2. And I does not own an Apple Pencil, so I can see and show it to you. But it is nice work over there. And they dropped it from 5 feet. That's a lot. So we don't have to do that, of course. We have a slim design to total protection. And the industry-leading rugged dual injection PC and TPU shell has been tested and tested and tested and tested to ensure that the new iPad is protected from all drops of up to 5 feet, even on concrete. That's a good fact. And finally, a function case that isn't ugly. It looks pretty because it looks really cool. Have we noticed how many ugly and cheap iPad cases there are on the market? Of course. But that's why they have built the new ZUGU iPad Pro 12.9 inches case to be different. The synthetic, cruelty-free leather and handsome microfiber lining means we will look good and we will be protected from scuffs and scratches. And with 10 magnetically secure angles, we will always find a comfortable viewing position, of course. That's really cool. It's designed especially for 2022 and 2021 12.9 inches Generation 6 and 5 iPad Pro. So, if we have one of these iPad Pros, have a look to this cool case. ZUGU, built for the everyday, created to take the iPad to the next level. ZUGU offers a slim, jet protective case with 5 feet drop protection that supports us through daily life with a secure angle magnetic stand wherever we are working, cooking, playing with the kids, or we are on the go. They have got our comfort. And 2 billion cases are sold in 2010. Oh yeah. It's family owned and it's operated. Great quality and insight comes from working with the people they know best, and that's the family. So that's a good fact too. And the best fact is we have drop protective bumpers. Rubber bumpers and rugged TPU and PC shell for major drop protection. And that's not all. It's positively magnetic. Thanks to its magnetic abilities, and hand-free work and a play is always an option. For example, if you have a fridge, you can dock it there. And we have cool air ventilation. The airflow vents built in to keep our iPad cool. And we can always find the right angle with the staggered pose with nearly endless degrees of articulation. And materials we will love. We enjoy the convenience of 360 degrees protection. And this design is different. A lap stable, desk stable, fridge mount, bed stable, work desktop stable. Where we need it, we can use it. This is the ZUGU iPad Pro 12.9 inches case for the iPad Pro from 2021 and 2022. This is the 5th and 6th generation out there with an ultra slim protective cover. Our iPad will be protected much more, and so nice. Its convenient 10-angle magnetic stand and auto sleep and wake up function in a lot of colors are available on the market. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.